Okay guys, let's mark up this chart for New York session. I should have actually done it already, but I was doing something this morning, so this is yesterday's candle, because I'm on the daily chart at the moment. So this is yesterday's candle, so we're going to mark up our chart, okay? And this is the low from yesterday. Let's turn that white as well. So basically I am expecting, from what I'm seeing here, this area here, okay, as well as it could come further down to break, could come further down to this area here. So today I will not be looking for buys on gold. Although in New York session, once it breaks below 2020, 2018, I will be looking for confirmation for a sell. If it goes above here, then I believe it's going to go back up within this area and be ranging for. So for now, from what I'm seeing here on the day chart, gold is overall bullish, but for today it's bearish. All right, and we're going to go down to the 4-hour chart now, and there we are. It's also bearish on the 4-hour chart, and it's probably going to fill this wick here completely and break below, but we wouldn't know that as yet. All right, so we will see what volume comes in with the break of we will see what volume comes in the New York session here now. All right, so hopefully this wick get filled and it breaks. If not, it's going to come back, it's going to go back to the upside. But for now, I am looking for sells if I'm looking for anything. I am not going to take anything at the moment. I will just wait and see. And if you see that there, I am going to actually put zone here, because there's a little zone here, minus zone there. I would expect it to come to here if it breaks that, and if it breaks there further down, there's other zones that it might come. So let's just put a zone here as well, because that's another zone right here. That is possibility of it coming to these areas. Okay. Alright, so we're down to the 4-hour. Now we're going down to the 1-hour chart. And that's our 1-hour chart here. And also on our 1-hour chart, gold is also bearish. However, it's almost reached the break of 18, where it's sitting at 2022. It's sitting at the moment. I'm waiting for it to break down below 2019 for me to look for sells. So as you can see here, this is an head. We have already have a left shoulder here, so we expect to get a right shoulder, and then it could actually drop, or it might continue to the upside, but most likely it probably will drop, okay, to fill the gap. All right, so there's lots of liquidity to the bottom here, so it could fill this liquidity once it finishes here. So it may consolidate here a bit and then drop, but we'll see how it goes. We will see. Okay, and now I'm going down to my 15-minute chart, and this is where I normally take my trade from. I normally trade from the 15 minutes. I don't go lower than the 15 minutes. It's a bit too volatile for me. It's a bit too fast, and to me it's a lot more noisy. So I prefer to place my trades on the 15 minutes chart. So based on the 15 minutes chart here, gold actually has come to this zone here and is actually rejected a few times. So what might happen here, it may go back up and retest 2034 before dropping further down. So at the moment I'm going to hold tight. I'm not looking for anything. All right, I would just put my resistance here. So if it comes back up to this area here, I probably would be looking for a sell if it does come back up here. If not, if it breaks below, I will look for sell, but we'll see how this goes. Let me put it here. Okay, put it up here. And that's that. Okay. Right. So guys, win rate at 40%, which is really, really poor, and I am at a minus 4.5%. No profits at all entered into this account. Really, really disappointing. So I am hoping to recover from this. That means I have to use smaller lot sizes because I think I over leveraged initially on this account. So anyway, we see how this goes. But for now, I'm not very happy. See what the market is going to do for now. I'm not going to take any trades yet.